Hey everybody and welcome back to Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Anyway, so let's just go into some war games straight away. This sometimes takes a long time. Anyway, guys, hopefully this will be just as great as before. Anyway, hopefully you all are enjoying this. I definitely love this game. So good. Anyway, I'm probably gonna post some Roblox videos soon. I mean, just because. But hey, okay, it's Dizzy and it's Flying Scouts, man. This one's fun. Yeah, I've played this one before. A little bit before. Only a little bit. Not much. Anyway, so, guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying Counter-Strike Global Offensive just as much as I am. Cause I know I definitely am. What? Shoots! Dang it! Warm up round. Anyway. Ha ha ha. Oh! KO! Come on, why can I not hit anybody? There we go. Woo! Ouch! I'm dead, guys. Ugh. So annoying. Anyway. Yeah, look at that. He kept missing. Although he hit me at the end. Oh! Clutch! Dang it! That was not a clutch. Anyway, this is still just the warm-up, guys. Just so you know. Oh, no scope? Come on. Do it again. Oh, gosh. Ouch! Not fair. Anyway, come on. 2, 1. Alright, starting 1, 0. Match starting. 2, 1, 0. Alright. Okay, I hit someone. That's pretty good. I don't think I hit that person. Oh, guys, I killed someone! Oh, and guys, I was the last one standing. That was awesome. Awesome round. Anyway, I'm hopefully going to be able to... Oh, come on! Not fair. Well, I guess I'll be doing something. Oh, dude, he wasn't even aiming at me. So unfair. Oh, my word. Kill that. Kizza! Dude, there were five guys versus 6. Okay, honestly, they're better. But still. Not fair. 2, 1, 0. Oh! That was a kill. Dude, I think I killed 2 people. What? Boom. Okay, anyway, guys. I think I killed 2 people. Oh yeah, I was the MVP, Lord Sword, for most eliminations. Yes! It's because I had like 3 eliminations. I think I hit him. Oh, I hit him. I hit the dude. Yes! Really? They put the MVP on a bot? Hey guys, anyway, we're coming at them with, ouch! Dude, that was annoying. Seriously. Aunt Jemima. I feel like that's from something. Dude, why would he stand? Seriously. Stand still? Why? Most of them had, like, low health. Oh! Ouch! Dang! I knew someone was, or I saw that guy when I died. He wasn't even aiming at me, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna just, pause it for right now. Oh, nope, that's something else. Alright guys, I'm back in the loading screen, and this is it. It's Short Dust Demolition. Hopefully this will be pretty cool. Anyway, basically, it's terrorists, which I'm gonna be, definitely, because I love terrorists. Anyway, they have the bomb, and they're trying to get it to the red spot on the map, as you can see. Alright, so, I'm gonna be terrorists. Oh, this is a very cool version. So, yeah, there's only 4 people on our team. Flip it. Flip it. Stupid. Oh, dude. Ouch. There's 4 against 6, guys. Come on, not fair. Okay. I have the bomb. Alright, guys. Hopefully I can do this. This time I'll try not to be so stupid. You can't hit me. Oh, dang it! Stupid! I should have at least shot him. Not fair. He's puppy guarding. This is totally cheating. Seriously. Yes! Come on, dude. Plant the bomb. Plant the bomb. Plant the bomb. Good. There's 1v1. Alright, guys. This is it. He's won. Anyway, I'll skip to when the bomb blows up. See you. Guys, I'm back. Hopefully it's gonna blow up soon. It's blowing up. Oh, I was the MVP for most eliminations. That's funny because I only killed 1 person. That was hilarious. That's literally hilarious. Seriously. Alright, let's see if I can kill someone. Haha! Dang it! I should have seen that. Should have seen him coming. Duh. So annoying. Dude, watch out! Oh my gosh. What? Oh! This is so annoying. So annoying. Stop that. Okay, anyway, I have a pretty good gun now. So let's go. Anyway. No, dang it! Of course I... Of course I let him kill me like that. What kind of gun does he have? And where the flip is he going? Seriously, what is he doing? Just go into there. Do me. Of course. This guy killed 80% of the people. Of course they win. So annoying. Alright. Hopefully I can do better this round. Because last round just sucked. Yes! I'm getting pistol next round. Cool. Dang it, why did I go out there? Seriously. Warning. The bomb has been planted. 40 seconds to detonation. Of course they're gonna do this, because the other dude's so stupid. Oh yes! Desert Eagle. Let's go. Ouch. That was very rude. Like, really, really rude. Okay. No, no! Oh, dude! I didn't even think about it. Dang it, there was a guy over there, of course. Of course there was a guy over there. Of course he had a Desert Eagle. So annoying. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you all later. And also, play this game. It's on Steam, and I'm pretty sure it's free. No idea. Anyway, hope you all have enjoyed, and I will see you all later. Goodbye!